guys, I haven't put up a video in a couple of weeks. I've been really down in the dumps. Something has been getting in my garden and they are eating everything. I planted okra. As soon as it got up about an inch, they came and got it. I have planted pole beans. They wait till they get up about an inch and then they come and just bite the tops off. I have planted pepper plants. They have dug up my pepper plants. I replanted them, then they came and dug it up. This morning I come out, they have bitten the tops of all of my sunflower seeds off. I had planted a few things of corn. They have eaten that up. Some of my cucumbers are gone. And then I planted lima beans, and these little bugs are getting to them. I've covered them and they're still getting in them. So it's not the little white moss that you see. I don't know what it is, but someone told me to take citrus and boil it down and take that water and spray. So that's what I did, and it seems to have helped. You hear the lima beans, how something has been eating them, but since I've been spraying them with that citrus, they seem to be doing a little better. This one here, they've just eaten it all the way up. But this one is growing, so I'm hoping that citrus water do help. I have been putting on it every other day just about, because we keep getting rain. And then when I water, I feel like it washes off, so I keep applying it. And we will see. I have planted beets. They keep digging those up. I've planted them twice, so I am just very disencouraged this year about the garden. I've never planted black-eyed peas, so I decided to plant some of them. And they just coming up out of the ground, and I can see where they have gotten to some of those. I planted runner beans. They come and bit all of the runner beans off. I really don't know what to do. I don't know what it is. I thought it was the squirrels, but I'm not sure. We do have a lot of squirrels around here. I have the chicken wire so possums can't get in, but I know they can climb over if they truly want to. So I don't know. If you have any suggestions, please feel free. I think I'm going to have to make some things and cover each one of my beds. Maybe that will help. I have a few things that are doing good. There is a little positivity here, and there's been some beautiful things that I've seen in nature, so I will show you those. And let me show you some of the positive things that's going on here. Are my potatoes, and they are growing quite well. I've also planted a second row here, and if you can look outside the fence there, those are the ones that I was trying to see if the deer would bother them, and so far they look pretty good. I only put a few. And let's go over here. In this here covering, I hope you can see this, but I have planted some Brussels sprouts and broccolis in there. I don't know how they're going to do. It's late in the season, but so far they're looking pretty good. Yeah, outside the fence, those are all different kinds of squash. I put them out there thinking that they could run anywhere outside there, and I was read that the deer wouldn't bother them, but some of them, as you can see, are turning yellow. So I'm wondering, are they not getting enough sunlight, or do I have too many wood chips down there? I don't know, but I'll see what I can get. I planted these sweet potato plants because now these on this end are the slips that I grew. They seem to be perking up, doing a little better. But these are sweet potato plants that I bought, and since they were green when I put them out here, but now they're turning colors, so I don't know. So far, these beans down here, they haven't gotten. I sure hope they don't get them. And then over here, the lettuces are doing pretty good. And I have runner beans, the celery plant that I pampered all through the winter. And it's looking pretty good. This is my potato bed, and right in the middle I have a volunteer lettuce, and it's looking great. I've eaten off that a couple of times. Also, there's another one here. And I'm still getting this kale. As it gets large and go to seed, I'm just pulling it out, but there's some everywhere. It was a pleasant surprise. This is a volunteer nasturtium that came back. I am so happy. I want you to see here. Now, I just planted a few beets in here. That's one, but you see every night they come and dig these holes. I have replanted this one and they keep coming back. So I'm just about given up. This is a volunteer also. I don't know whether it's a squash. Looks like it could be. And I have another one here. Curious to see what they're going to turn out to be. Well, that's how it's been going with me. I hope things are going better with you. And please leave a comment. And if you have any suggestions about these animals, I will put a few pictures of some of my visitors. But I'm going to have to come out and find out what's coming in here at night. I know I have come out here and I see the squirrels walking around. That's why I thought it was the squirrels. But now I'm kind of thinking it's something else other than squirrels. I have seen possum around. I haven't been able to get a photo of one. And I know there are raccoons around. Haven't seen any of those. But I know they are around. So please, if you have any suggestion, I do have chicken wire all around the bottom of my fence. So I don't know what it could be. So these flowers have bloomed and they smell so good. I wish you can smell them. I don't know what they are. I put some wildflower seeds down at the other house and I brought a head with me. And they have just filled out and they smell so good. I was sitting over on the bench and I said, "Ooh, something really smells good." And I came over from these flowers. You gotta love nature. This is Lady P from my backyard garden. Peace and love. I'm out.